Hi, I'm Chef Rahim. I'm 11 years old. Today I'm going to show you how to make 5-minute nachos. The reason I bring up nachos is because when Thanksgiving is coming, you need to feed a lot of people in a short amount of time. For 5-minute nachos, you need 5 handfuls of chips, some cilantro, 1 tomato, half an onion, scallions, sour cream, jalapenos, Mexican blend cheese, and Tostitos salsa. Now that our vegetables are washed, we can get started. To start, we have our chips, which we are going to spread in our tray. I have about 5 handfuls of chips. I think we should spread them evenly across the tray. First up, I have to chop up my onion. Make sure to chop up your onion into small pieces. Now that I'm done chopping my onion, I can spread it over my chips. Onions are done, so now I'm going to chop up my tomato. For this recipe, remember to cut everything super small. And now I'm going to spread my tomato. And now you're going to chop your cilantro. So now I'm going to spread my cilantro over my chips. Today I'm making vegetarian nachos. If you wanted to, you can add some chicken or some minced meat. But remember, that would be before your vegetables. So now I'm going to start spreading the cheese. Today I'm adding a lot of cheese so that the vegetables don't get warm and the chips don't get soggy. Last ingredient before this gets heated up are scallions. And I'm going to sprinkle my scallions. This is the last ingredient before this goes into the microwave. Now into the microwave for 3 minutes. Microwave is set for 3 minutes, and now just press go. Oh, the nachos smell good. Now I'm going to add my sour cream, some jalapenos, and some salsa. One of the tricks is to stir the sour cream so it does not get too clumpy. Next, jalapenos. And my last step is to put salsa. And there you have it, 5-minute nachos. Well, more like 8-minute nachos. Well, time to eat. I'm hungry.